Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh.
At this time, all 6 victims have been removed from the water. And sadly, all 6 victims have been pronounced deceased.
I was sitting here at my desk and I heard what sounded like a series of gunshots. It was a very loud, repetitive sound in the air. So I looked out my window right here and I saw a helicopter falling to pieces. This could have been an even greater tragedy had the helicopter been slightly further over or had the wind been slightly stronger.
Okay, Matt, they want what we're seeing right now, Liz. Well, obviously, a lot of police vehicles in the water. Mike